Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing off the 2018 Kawasaki KLX140L that I just traded for. I traded Big Bertha, my 2005 Arctic Cat 500 four-wheel drive, plus 800 on top. I got 800 on top, rather. But she's a little beat up, but it is a 2018 model, so hopefully it still runs really good. Last time I rode it, I know it ran good, so I assume it still does. I have the cover right here. I just need to put it on. I guess something broke off. Might have to replace it. Not sure if the oil's ever been changed, so I know that's gonna have to be done. Seat cover is not in bad shape other than the Kawasaki wearing off, but I'm gonna clean this as soon as I get it off the truck. Tires aren't too bad. The rear ones are pretty bad, but front ones are all right. I mean, the engine still looks new other than some scratches, but I did order a new air filter, oil filter, and spark plug, so that's on the way. I know the battery either needs to be charged or replaced, and other than that, it just needs some maintenance and a wash. But I need to go ahead and get this thing unloaded. I actually left it in the truck yesterday because didn't feel like it. Put this kickstand down. This bike is also electric start only, so there's no kickstart. So if your battery died on the trail, you'd have to bump start it. And it also didn't have a key, so it's interesting. At least the brakes still work good. It's also a big wheel 140. I think the L stands or means that it's big wheel. It has bigger wheels and tires. Okay, here she is in full sunlight, so you can see every little scratch. Rear fender's faded some. It's got some scratches all on it, but overall it's not in awful condition. Let me check the oil. I might can bump start it. All right, I cannot bump start it, so I'm not gonna take it up to my driveway. That's just too much right now. I'll just hook up to the battery, see if I can get it started, take it for a quick ride, and then put her up because I need to do maintenance on it before I really ride it. So I got the air filter off. Wasn't planning on taking it off yet, but I had to get the seat off. But it's just 4 little 8mm bolts, and then you take your cap off. But it's really not all that dirty. It has some grass and stuff in there, and it's a little brown right there, but it's not deteriorating when I touch it, so that's good. So I'm gonna put this air cover back on, take the seat up, and then boost the battery off, and hopefully ride it around for a minute. Okay, I got the seat off. I'm missing one screw right here, not a big deal though. I'll probably have that same one laying around somewhere. But I need to get this up closer to the battery charger. I'm trying to boost this thing off. Do a charge, see what the battery percent is at. If not, we'll boost it. It's showing 0%. Let me try to boost it real quick. Oh yeah, the light came on now. I'm just gonna let it charge. Turn it off for a second. I'm gonna see what kind of battery this is because I actually don't know. Okay, it's an AGM battery. So let's get it charged here. Oh, yeah, it's only showing 8 volts. So I'm gonna put on a 6 amp, or I'm gonna turn on a 6 volt 2 amp charge for AGM. Let it start, and I'll let this thing sit because it's showing 0% complete. Let this charge up for a little bit, and then I'll come back and hopefully start this thing. I'm sure it needs a carb clean, but I know it runs. So okay, 45 minutes later, and my battery charger said this is complete. So I'll take these clamps off. We'll see if it starts up. Hopefully so. I mean, it took a charge. Turn on the choke. Oh, a light comes on now. Oh. Let me full choke it again. Dang, it starts instantly. Wow. I'm gonna throw this seat back on. We'll take it for a spin. Oh yeah. Handlebars are a little bent, but runs good. I'm gonna clean the carb and probably adjust it anyway, but it does run pretty good. Very quiet. Well, I am going to clean this thing. My pressure washer ran out of gas. Dang it. I don't really want to go get any gas. I'll figure it out, but I'm going to clean this thing up. I got the soap mixed right there, so I'll go ahead and spray it down a little bit. It's got all kinds of dust on it. I actually kind of think the clamps are bent and not the handlebars. The handlebars look straight, but where these mount up right here, this one is twisted down, it looks like. I wonder if I can fix that. It looks like it just needs to be beat down. I don't know, I'll have to see if that's two different pieces or not. But the handlebars look fine. Hopefully we can fix this thing and not worry about it. The actual, let me see. The actual triple clamp isn't bent, I don't think. I think it's just this mount right here. And there's a bolt at the bottom, so I'm thinking if I can't straighten it out, that's probably replaceable. So I'm not too concerned about it. Thankfully the seat doesn't have any tears in it. It's just right here, it's a little worn off, that Kawasaki. But I'm probably gonna decal this thing and take the decals off because it looks like they have scratches on them. This side looks okay. Maybe I'll just leave them. Okay, I softened me some gas. So I'm gonna pressure wash this thing. Okay, I'm gonna let this thing dry out. I took all the decals off. It looks cleaner that way. If I really want more decals, then I'll buy some new ones. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. The next video will be me doing the maintenance. I got a new spark plug on the way, oil filter, and air filter.